Today we will demonstrate two ways to change the frequency of the Xhorse BE Key Pro key chip. The default frequency written on the package is 315 Hz. You can manually change it to 433 Hz by removing the free resistor. First, demonstrate using Cardiagtool Plus to change the frequency of Xhorse BE Key Pro key chip. We put the chip into the groove on the top of the tablet. Then click the IMO programming option on the tablet. Select the Benz model, then find the VVDI BE Key option and click to enter the menu. We first read the chip frequency. You can see that the screen is displayed at 433 Hz. Click OK to exit the interface. We choose to change the frequency to 315 Hz. You can see that the frequency setting is successful. Let's read it again. The screen will change to display 315. To change the frequency manually, you need to use a soldering iron. Remove the free resistor marked on the chip. Be careful when removing it. After we're done, let's read it again. Now the frequency is changed from the default 315 Hz to 433 Hz. We will now resolder this resistor back. Be sure to align the solder joints. Now let's read the frequency again. We can see that the frequency has changed back to the default 315 Hz.